hello sa ating madlang Middle East, lalo na po dyan sa Doha, Qatar. Abangan niyo po ka dyan on November 15 sa QNCC. Of course, I'll be with Jimmy Marquez, Ronnie Liang, and the G-Force Angels. Abangan niyo po ang Ambitiosa No Other Concert. I'm excited to sing and dance for all of you. So, magkita-kita ho tayo dyan November 15.
Catch the most sensational Filipino entertainment royalty and watch the rare performance of concert sweetheart Ann Curtis in Ambitiosa in Qatar No Other Concert World Tour 2013. November 15 at the Qatar National Convention Center Theater with special guests Ronnie Liang, Jimmy Marquez, and the G-Force Angels. For tickets, call 00-974-5569-3379 or email info@larqatar.com. Brought to you by Lock & Show, Creation, Innovation, and Design.